Hello, this is Straight Out of Moscow. I am your host Zurkovsky, and today we will be doing something a little bit different. This is a new series I'd like to call Russian Reviews. In this series, we will be looking at a series of products and rating them on a scale from 1 to 10. All these items can be bought off of Amazon, and I will have a referral link down in the description below. If you are interested, click that link and you can buy it, and some of that money will go to me. So make sure you buy this shit. Alright, here is the first package. Let's see what's inside. Alright, here it goes. Oh man, look at that! Bubble wrap. Well, that's all the bubble wrap. Let's see what we have. Whoa, look at that. It is 2 hammocks from Honest Outfitters. Wow, let's open them up. Alright, here is one of the hammocks. Let's check it out. It weighs very light. It's about 1.5 pounds. It comes in this nice plastic bag. Alright, let's take it out now. Alright. So, you get a little card that says that, with a little note on it. And you get the hammock too. It comes with this. These have all of the perspective, statistical stuff on it. Okay, so apparently it has how you set it up. So it comes with the hammock and some other stuff too. For the non-Russian viewer, the max weight is 500 pounds and it can hold up to 2 people in one hammock. Alright, so it comes with 2 straps and the hammock itself. Alright, let's see. So first you unsnap that, take the drawstring to that, and right away you can see one of the 2 straps it comes with. So it comes with 2 straps. And inside you can see the canvas itself for the hammock. Alright, let's go out and set this thing up. Wow, that's pretty big. Wow, that is huge. This is made out of the canvas, so it is very lightweight and strong. It comes with 2 high quality carabiner. See on one side, and this one on the other. Very durable, tough steel. You can use this for a whole assortment of things, not just hammock use. You can use as parachute, you know, you see. You can use as very fashionable cape too. It's up to you. Very different assortment. One drawback that I found is a lot of static electricity created once touching this or inside. Alright, let's go outside and I will show you how to hook this up. I will show you how to set this up. So first take one strap, place this there, undo strap, you have a long strap. This is called a daisy chain strap. You can see because one end only have one loop, other hand has multiple loops. What this is for you to make hammock as tight as possible. We will put one side up here, take small end, put multiple end loop through. Pull it through till tight. Bless you. Suka bless. Wrap around a couple times. That is tight. Good. Leave that there. That one is set up. Now take other strap. Do the same thing at a different location. Let's see. Ah, this will do. Again, take strap with no side, put around place you want it to be, take other end with all this stuff and put that through. Then wrap it around a couple more times. One more, and it will be good. Alright, we have our two straps set up. Now we are going to set up the hammock. The price of this item on Amazon Prime is $29.99. And it also comes in assortment of colors, like orange, red, blue, and green. Alright, now take one end of the carabiner, attach to one side. That is good. And take other end of the carabiner and attach to the other side. Uh-oh, it's a little low. There we go. Now, you see you have your hammock. Let's test this out. Alright, here it goes. Oh yes, that is very nice. You can see you have plenty of room to enclose yourself or open. So it is great for camping and also just hanging out with your friends. So that will conclude today's episode of Russian Review. Have a nice day and make sure to check out the link below if you would like to order this product. Bye bye. Other hammocks are way more expensive than this hammock and they cannot hold as much weight or they are smaller. This one is very good and better than those and it is priced very well. I would have to rate this product 10 hammers out of 10 sickles because of the quality and the price. Remember to smash that like button.